Good morning, guys. Yeah, today I'm at our rubber trees farm, and we're gonna show you that we are making some trade, yeah, to trade the mouse that are eating our rubber tree. Yeah, and I will show you a little, like as you see here. As you see, this is rubber trees. Yeah, right. You see clearly, right? Yeah, this is we planted last year, and it's a bit high and already got eaten. So regret about it. It's take more time to plant more. Yeah, as you see here, right? I've been eaten by the mouse. Yeah, this one. It is only the root. Yeah. Lost. Okay, so you check the other place. This one also. One more holes there. A lot. Oh, this one has dead. This one, as we come to check it out, and this one has already dead. Yeah. And when we pull it out, you see here. Yeah, this is rubber tree. You see? There. You see? You see there? Yeah. It's still so new. Oh my god. So regret. Lost it. As you see, right? Yeah. How it is. Not, it's not we are bringing it to put here, right? We planted but the mouse eating it. Yeah. The holes down there. Let me see. Yeah, you see here, right? The hole is very big already, right? Oh, lost this one so high. Yeah, higher than me up there. Oh, no. ตัวอันตรายเตี้ยนะน้องยันน้ำมันนอมาเอาชิ้นนี้ครับเลยน้ำมันนอเจที่เราล่อยหน่อเราน่าจะมันนอให้หน่อยนี่ใช่ๆอ่ะเชียร์ก็ตัวช้อนอ่ะน้อยยันนั้นนอนน่ะต้นนอจริงนะน่าจะตัวฮะตัวอันเดาเกินน่ะต้นนอชิบะดิ
tun này là thế được cả chỗ đặt tun này chỗ này nó là tun nó non tung dàn thì cả chuối nó này giờ ôi ôi chế của thế tôi xỉ này bao tiền bom ma này giờ xỉ say chơi được chán này
this one is okay.
Oh, what happened? The lens full inside here. Oh, dead here. You see? Yeah, we got one. Yeah, you see here? Yeah. Dead here. Oh, the more is down here. Yeah. You see? Yeah, this is our thread. Yeah, got the more. Yeah. Got it? Yeah. What's we got one. Maybe it's still the other one down here, maybe. Cho nó do nó nuôi rắn à, cho cái chó nuôi rắn họ nó chỉ tôi muốn nọ này giờ, tôi muốn nọ kia chỉ muốn cho nuôi rắn chú kia bài nó chỉ bài cho nuôi rắn á, của tôi chỉ bảo cho nuôi rắn thì khởi gì, nó nuôi tao để tới nó muốn mà tôi nuôi chúng là tôi nó không chỉ cho chỉ cho nó đó, chỉ khăn là chỉ cái này mấy tụi phương dư nó lại cho ó này cứ lấy làm cho cụ thì chúa đi nó giờ muốn khó nó khởi còn đa trời nó đó, chỉ mót trong giếng rồi. Mới cho chan tông ở chỉ là cái tàu này cho chan là nó non chứ thì cũng mới cho chan tông dàn cho nó thì một lạnh cà phê nè thì một lạnh cà phê còn trừ về mấy chúa này chúa rồi mà lúc khó mà nó mà có thể chủ chơi còn lo cõi trong kia nó chạy còn nó thoát khỏi được khỏi nó thì mà chúa ta thì cũng mới chỉ xuống non bo rồi ạ bo cho còn lống rồi mà bo còn ta còn thoát cho chúa được không nè chỉ là thì cả tuần nọ chỉ cứ may tu This is the thread that we use for the bow.